and imagine trying to pick that up every single day, and it's not even the right phone. But Congo, he also sits back there, and he sits by our water cooler, which makes the sound of bubbles. Now, back in the back, we're a modern age facility. We all have our own cell phones, and so does Congo now. He has his own cell. Yeah. No volume control, though, so that's a little difficult back there. What we want to talk to you guys today about is conservation. And you know, Congo here, we love all of our guests here that come into the safari park. We're a 100% nonprofit organization, and so because of that, you guys just walking in the gates today, you're helping us take charge of conservation, right, Congo? Is everyone taking charge? Yeah. Everybody's taking charge of conservation, and because of that, Congo wants to thank everyone with a nice, big, juicy kiss. Yeah. Only Congo can thank you that way, though. Congo, that kiss had a little extra smack on it. Somebody out there think you're cute? Oh, you think someone out there is cute. Now, in all seriousness, though, the safari park does spend a great deal of time on conservation, and we are trying to conserve things out there like elephants, rhinos, duckies, everything from the animals to the plants to whole ecosystems, and we're really excited about that. We're really excited. Well, a little bit excited. What I do want to remind you guys, though, is that there is a problem facing Congo's wild brothers and sisters out there in the wild, and it's poaching, or collection for the pet trade illegally. Now, poachers are going out there and they're taking Congo's brothers and sisters and they're selling them illegally still into the pet trade. So we don't like that, and I want Congo to tell you guys what he thinks about poachers. Yeah. Bad poachers, right, Congo? Well, we thank you guys so much for joining us at the park today. I think we're ready to go back if anybody wants to come on out and trade us, and I'm just going to have Congo give you a nice, good goodbye.